In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make itinerary in Excel. If you want a clean, organized plan for your next trip without starting from scratch, Excel's built-in templates make it fast and reliable. We'll use the template gallery and a simple search to surface ready-made itinerary layouts that you can adapt to any travel plan. Start by opening Excel and going to the File area. This takes you to what's called the Backstage view, where you manage documents and, importantly, access templates. Even if you're already on the home screen, heading into File helps ensure you're in the right place to browse everything Excel offers. Think of it as your launchpad for professionally designed starter files. From there, choose More Templates. This opens the full template gallery rather than just a handful of suggestions. The gallery is searchable and organized, making it easier to find something that fits your needs instead of scrolling endlessly. It's the fastest way to explore categories like business, calendars, planners, and of course, travel. Next, use the search box and type the word vacation. That keyword is a smart shortcut because many travel planners and itineraries are tagged under vacation. You'll typically see results that include trip planners, packing checklists, budgeting sheets, and the itinerary styles we're after. If you prefer slightly different phrasing, related terms like travel or itinerary can also surface relevant options. But vacation usually casts a wide net and brings the right designs to the top. Once your results load, look for itinerary templates. You'll recognize them by names and thumbnails that show day-by-day or hour-by-hour layouts. A solid itinerary template usually includes columns for dates, times, locations, activities, and notes, and sometimes spots for confirmation details like flight or reservation numbers. As you scan, consider what layout suits your trip, a simple daily overview for a weekend getaway, or a more detailed schedule if you have multiple stops in a single day. Also, think about how you plan to use it, on a laptop, phone, or printed, so the format matches your style. That's all there is to it. Open File, go to More Templates, search Vacation, and then look for itinerary templates in the results. This approach saves you time and sets you up with a structure that's already formatted, readable, and easy to tweak. Once you see an itinerary design that fits your needs, you'll be positioned to personalize it with your own trip details and make it your go-to travel planner in Excel.